Hi everyone, I'm back with another beautiful story for you guys. Today's story is all about a monk and a cute little family. Are you all ready for the story? Let's start. So, there lived a monk and he just keep on traveling and going around. Once upon a time, he just started walking and within 2 to 3 days, all his provisions had run out and the monk had nothing to eat. And now he just started looking somewhere where he can have some food and shelter. Finally, he just saw a hut and he was very happy and he just thought, definitely these people will have plenty for me. And he just knocked the door. When he just knocked the door, a man came and opened the door and the man looked so dirty. His clothes were looked so dirty and torn up. And the monk also saw that inside his wife and 2 children were there, even they were also not well dressed. And they all told, let's Buddha be blessed. And the man told, we already know you, sir, please come in, what can we do for you? And now the monk told that I have run out all my supplies, so can I have something to eat? And this family told, yeah sir, you're welcome, it's our pleasure, please come in, definitely we will be having something to eat. And now they welcomed him with full respect and they gave him some cheese and a stale bread to eat. And the whole family sat together and they had a lunch. And now they all shared among themselves whatever they have and had a good meal together. And finally, the monk was very full and he just told, I'm really very happy and thank you so much for taking a good care of me. I'm really quenched now. I'm not even more hungry. And my thirst is also quenched now because you just gave me a plenty of water. And now the monk asked the family, what do you do for living? And now the farmer told, sir, didn't you see that there was a cow when you come inside? And the monk said, yeah, I saw a cow. The cow gives us the milk and we just drink the milk and some of the milk we just convert it into a cheese and the rest of the milk we just give it to a bread merchant and he will give us some bread. So the day it goes on like this, sir. And then the monk told, okay fine, can I ask you something? Can I stay here for a night and I'll be leaving you early in the morning? And now the family told, yeah sir, it's our pleasure to be here because you are the disciple of Lord Buddha. It's pleasure. And now the whole family gave him a very good respect and he just gave a good bed for him and gave a nice mat for him and made him comfortable to sleep. And the whole family slept at the floor. And then the next morning, as soon as woke up, the monk was about to leave and the whole family got blessings from the monk. And now what happened, the farmer asked the monk, sir, what can I do for you? Do you want anything? And now the monk told, no, I think whatever you had extra you just gave me the last night, so I definitely think that you don't have anything. And now the farmer asked, yeah sir, but do you want anything else from us? How can I make your journey very beautiful? And now the monk thought for a while and he just asked, can I have your cow? And now the farmer was really very shocked and he just replied, sir, since the cow is the only source of income for our family, but you are the disciple of Buddha and you just demanded me, I'll just give you the cow. Please take it, sir, it's our pleasure. And the disciple of Buddha just took the cow. And now later what happened, the family became very richer and richer after the disciple took the cow. Do you all know what is the moral of the story? Yeah, the disciple, what did he do? He just made the family to come out of their comfort zone because the family was dependent on the cow and they were not doing anything. So he just made them to come out of their comfort zone and work very hard. The same way in our daily life, we are usually supposed to come out of our comfort zone and be happily lived.